Hey guys, welcome to Jen's Creativity Corner. Today we are going to be repainting this nativity scene. So let's just jump right in. Lots of sped up painting, but hopefully you can enjoy it. We've got some Christmassy music in the background and just wanted to talk about this. So I absolutely love repurposing, recycling, upcycling. It's just one of those things that I see the potential in every craft project, which is hard as well. I think the person that toes the line between pack rat and scared of becoming a hoarder. So I don't know about you, that's just the way I am. I see potential in everything. It's also hard because I move a lot, but this is an instance where I justified this purchase from a thrift store, where I got this piece of wood here. Well, piece of wood, I guess it's a couple pieces of wood glued together with the baby attached to it at the front. But yeah, I mean, obviously it's had its rough days, but I do actually have a nativity collection, and even though I've recently moved, gosh, just a couple times this year, you know, I've really tried to pare down how much stuff I have, but the nativity set is definitely one that I treasure. So from different parts of my life, different parts of the world, and I figured this would be a cute one to add to it as a hand-painted one. So I will admit, maybe I didn't get super creative in reinventing this piece, but I really did enjoy being able to breathe new life into it. I'm curious to know what kinds of collections you have. Let me know down in the comments below, whether it's a Christmas collection or some other kind. I have a keychain collection, for example, that I started collecting when I was a kid. I don't really collect much now so much. Anyway, I will let you watch and enjoy and leave a comment down below about what your plans are for this season. And here is the final product. I'd love to know what you would have done differently, what you think of the repainting. And yeah, I just want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas. If you celebrate Christmas, if you celebrate something else, I hope that is great for you as well. And stay safe, stay happy, and we'll see you around next time.